The Maidenhair stitch is a gorgeous variation of the feather stitch family. Start by making a single feather stitch starting from the middle line. Then make 2 more elongated feather stitches one under the other with the same middle line as the base. This creates a set on one side. Now work a set on the other side. Sorry, there's a lot of movement of my hand embroidery stand. Now, there are 7 stitch lines to guide you. 1 in the middle, that is common to all the stitches on either side, and 3 to each side. As you practice more, 3 lines are enough to guide you for the stitching. You can see that this is a broad stitch and is perfect as a thick bordered design. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment to let me know. Do check the links in the description to support us. This is Sarah from Sarah's Embroidery. Thank you for watching.